In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use virtual backgrounds in Google Meet. If you want to make your video calls look cleaner, more professional, or just a little more fun, changing your background in Google Meet is a great option. It can help reduce distractions behind you and give your meeting a more polished appearance. The good news is that the process is very quick and easy once you know where to look. To get started, open Google Meet and get ready to join a meeting or access the controls while you're already in one. Look for the video icon in the meeting controls. Next to that icon, you'll see a small arrow. Go ahead and click on the arrow beside the video icon. This opens up additional camera-related options that aren't always visible at first glance. So if you've never noticed it before, that's completely normal. Once that menu appears, click on Background and Effects. This is the section where Google Meet lets you customize how you appear on camera. It's where you can manage visual options that affect your video, including virtual backgrounds. If your device takes a moment to load this panel, just give it a second, especially if your internet connection or computer is a little slower. After that, select a background. You'll usually see a range of available options, such as blurred backgrounds or preset images. Choose the one that best fits the style of your meeting. For example, if you're in a work or school setting, a simple and neutral background may look best. If it's a casual call, you might prefer something a bit more colorful or creative. As soon as you select a background, Google Meet will apply it to your camera view so you can preview how it looks. This is helpful because you can make adjustments before continuing with your meeting. If one option doesn't look quite right, you can simply try another until you find one you like. For the best results, make sure your face is well lit and try to sit in front of a fairly plain space if possible. Even though virtual backgrounds are designed to replace what's behind you, better lighting usually helps the effect look smoother and more natural. And that's all it takes to use virtual backgrounds in Google Meet. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat anytime you want to update your look before a call.